power to transform lives, whether through education or community development. Bengawan UV brings this vision to life through two impactful outreach activities: a robotics teaching program at Surakarta and a technology-based initiative for catfish farming in Kampung Lele. At Surakarta, Bengawan UV introduced a basic robotics program to enhance education in this critical field. Divided into classes for manufacturing design, electronics and PCB design, and programming, the program provides students with foundational knowledge and hands-on experience in robotics. By fostering creativity and technical skills, this initiative aims to prepare a generation of innovators who are ready to tackle future challenges. Through this program, students not only develop technical expertise but also gain confidence to excel in competitions and real-world applications, embodying the spirit of innovation. Meanwhile, in Kampung Lele, Bengawan UV is addressing challenges in catfish farming, a vital industry in Indonesia that suffers up to 30% losses annually due to pests. To support local farmers, we introduced Arlink V1, a pest monitoring and repelling tool powered by photovoltaic panels. This technology combines object detection using Raspberry Pi with energy efficiency, effectively deterring pests like birds and snakes. By integrating this technology into the community, Arlink V1 helps increase productivity, reduce losses, and promote sustainable fish farming practices. This initiative aligns with our commitment to leveraging technology for economic and environmental benefits. From advancing robotics education to empowering local communities with sustainable farming solutions, Bengawan UV is dedicated to creating meaningful change. Together, we inspire innovation and build a future where technology improves lives and strengthens communities.